Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft Store error 0x00000001 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is a WS reset. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Now you need to type the command WS reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache and reopen Microsoft Store with all the settings reset. So next solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store. We have a PowerShell command for you and I'll share it with you in the description section of the video. Simply search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane and paste it here. Hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.